My name is Temitope and I represent Marida Consult. I'm from Nigeria. This is a design tutorial to teach us how to create a primitive equipment using PDMS. And for today's design, I'm going to create the primitive equipment using a cylinder. Okay, I'm going to use dishes, nozzles. I'm going to use boxes in creating the primitive equipment. And for us to start, I would have to create a site for my primitive equipment. So I click on site, I click on create, and I click on site. Then I name my site Marida. Then also I need to create the zone for the equipment. Okay. Alright, then also I need to create the equipment itself. Alright. Alright, for the position, I've actually been given the rest of the cylinder to be 312370. Click enter. I've been given the knot as 294502. And I've been given the elevation as 106170. Alright, so for me to create the primitive equipment now, I need to click on create and click on primitives. So the dialog box for the primitive element, okay, is out. Alright, so I need to start by creating the cylinder. So I click on cylinder and I've been told to input my height and diameter. So from the information given, the height has been given to be 4800. I click enter. The diameter has been given to be 1410. I click enter. Then I click create. Alright, so the cylinder has been created. Right? Okay. Then I need to rotate. I want to rotate at an angle of 90 degrees at about X axis. So I click apply rotation. Then I need to position it. Alright, and for us to position it, we need to move knots, okay, by half of the total length of the cylinder from the center of from the pinot of the equipment. So I need to move by 2400. Alright, then I click next. Alright, now I need to create a dish. Alright, one has to be on the south end of the cylinder, the other has to be on the north end of the cylinder. Alright, and the diameter has been given as 1410. Alright, and the radius of a dish is the diameter divided by 10. So we'll be having the radius as 141. I click enter, and the height has been given as 380. I click enter and I click on create. Alright, and the pinot of the dish is at the center base of the base center, beg your pardon, of the dish. Alright, so I need to just rotate at an angle of 90 at an angle of 90 degrees, right about X axis. So I click on apply rotation and I click on next. Alright, so now I need to create the dish at the north end of the cylinder. So I click on dish. Alright, I'm to use the same parameters. So I click on create. Alright, then I need to move from the pinot of the equipment to the north end of the cylinder. Alright. So I need to move at the length of 400, okay, to the north, 4800 to the north. I click enter, right? Then I need to rotate it. I need to rotate it right about 90 degrees, at an angle of 90 degrees, right about the X axis. So I click on apply rotation, I click apply rotation, and apply rotation. So I click next. So now I'm to create the box now. Alright, okay, so I click on box. Alright, so I'm to input the X, Y, and Z length. Alright, for my X length, okay, I'm having 1060. For the Y length, I'm having 300. For my Z length, I'm having 860. Click enter, click create. Alright, so I need to move the box now. Alright, so I'm to move the box at a distance of 965 to the north. Then I need to move down at about 430. Okay, and then I click next. And also for me to create the second box, okay, all I need to do is just to offset it. And for me to do that, I click on create, I click copy, okay, I click offset. Alright, then I need to move along the x-axis, okay, at a distance of 2870. I click enter, I click apply, okay, I click yes, okay, to retain the created copies. I click yes and dismiss. Alright, so now I want to start creating the nozzles. Alright, and for me to do that, I click on create, I click on nozzles. Alright, then I name my nozzle D1201 M1. That's the name of the nozzle given to us. Okay, and I click enter, and I select the specification. Alright, and the specification of this nozzle is the ANSI nozzle. Alright, the genetic type is 300 ANSI flanges, and the nominal bore is 450. And I click apply, dismiss. The height has been given to us as 610. Alright, and I'm to position it south, alright, at the distance of 610. Alright, and the rotation is south. I click enter, apply, dismiss. Alright, so I need to create another nozzle. So I click on create nozzle, and I need to name the nozzle. So I select the nozzle specification. Alright, the nominal bore is also 300. The generated type of beg pardon is also 300, but the nominal bore is 80. Nominal bore is 80. So I click apply, dismiss. Alright, the height of this nozzle has been given to us as 800. Okay, and I'm to move north by 508. Click apply, and I'm to move up by 800. So click apply. Alright, and the orientation is up. So I click enter, apply, dismiss. Okay. Alright, then also I'm to create another nozzle. Alright. Okay, but rather than going through that same stress, I can just offset the nozzle. So I click on create, copy, offset. Alright, and the distance between the nozzle, alright, is 3832. Alright, and I'm to design along the y-axis. Okay, 3832. I click enter, I click apply. Alright, yes, dismiss. The second nozzle has been created. Alright, and these nozzles are having the same generic type and um, the nominal bore. Alright, so I have to create another. I've been told to create another nozzle. Alright, still on the same y-axis. Alright, so I click. So I have to offset it from this now. So I click create, copy, offset, and I'm to move at a distance of 230. Click enter, apply, yes, dismiss. Right, but from the information given, the size of the new nozzle I've just created, okay, is different. So I need to modify the nozzle now. So I click on modify, click on nozzle specification. Alright, and the generic type for this nozzle I've just created is 300, but the nominal bore is 40. And I click apply, dismiss. So I've modified the nozzle, so I can name it now. Alright, okay, D1201 MA M4 MA, enter, apply, dismiss. Okay, then I can rename this also. Okay, I can rename that also, and I name it D1201 M2 MA, enter, apply, dismiss. Alright, so this is actually the tutorial on how to create a primitive equipment using PDMS. Alright, I remain Temitope. I represent my reader. To contact me, you can contact me on +23480 5220 4606. Thank you for watching.